Hey guys, welcome to Flights and Fabrics. If you're new, I am Simire and this is my little world of fashion and lifestyle and travel and all things good, alright? So welcome to my channel. I appreciate you being here. And for those of you who have been around, I am sorry for just staying away from YouTube for a little while, but life just goes on and you have to keep up with it, so that's what I've been doing. But I am back and I'm better, and we're still doing this. We're still sharing tips. We're still trying to be good, look good and feel good. And today we are talking about winter because it is November, and I don't know where you are in the world, but I am placed in, I'm based in Denmark, and it's already getting so cold. So instead of talking about the winter kind of fashion, because I feel like we talked about fall fashion, and that was, a lot of the things that I showed you back then, you can still use, right? But today we're talking about winter and how you get through winter, because personally, I don't deal well with winter. Winter is not the season that I look most forward to. I'm a summer kid, even though my birthday is in the winter. I am a Pisces in February, but I just love summer. I love spring, and I actually love each season besides winter. I hate freezing, I hate cold, and I hate not seeing the sun so much. So yeah, so these are the things that I want to share with you, what you can do in the dark days, dark months, wherever you are with the winter you're dealing with. Let's start with a bathrobe. A bathrobe is something that you have to have in your closet regardless. A bathrobe is really comfy. Like, buy yourself a bathrobe that is comfy, it's warm, it's nurturing. I have two types of bathrobes. I have the one that feels like a towel, and then I have the one that is fuzzy and mushy and everything, that I just put on in the weekends and run around and do absolutely nothing in my house. I feel like it's important to have both, because sometimes after the shower I want to put on the one that feels like a towel, and for me to just get dry and moisturize myself. So yeah, bathrobe, I would highly recommend that. It is the most comfortable thing to wear in the winter, on top of the next thing that I'm about to mention, which is your pajamas. Okay, I personally have different type of pajamas compared to the season, and these are the ones that I wear in winter. I genuinely I love to wear trousers because I freeze, and it's no joke. I freeze a lot, and I like to wear something that really covers up my body because I freeze. So, and they feel so nice because they're so silky and everything. So I put on these and I am good to go. On weekends, when you're trying to run errands in the house, when you're cleaning the house, when you're making breakfast, whatever it is that you're doing, just have some nice, loungewear, and then you're good. And I think it just puts you in the mood. Everything that I'm about to say here is all about setting the mood, so your mind can just relax and get in zen, right? So yeah, pajamas and loungewear. And I have one more thing, and don't laugh at me. This thing here, all right? I don't know what it looks like. I look like a bear when I'm wearing it, and I'm not the most flattering person to look at, but this is so nice to wear. Like, I don't know what to call it, because it's like a dress, or I don't know, but it's just when I'm freezing, I put this on and I'm good to go. And it has like pockets. I got it for Christmas a couple years ago. Okay, my camera just died, but where were we? Yeah, so that was the, you know, the fluffy thing that I was telling you about. It's kind of like a dress, but it's and I feel like it's a sweatshirt at the same time. So it's like a mixture of a lot of things, but I would definitely recommend this because this gives me peace when it's really cold outside. Yeah, so that was, you know, the things that you can buy to keep yourself warm. And then there are socks, fluffy, good socks. Let me just show you my socks, okay? They're fluffy, they feel so nice, and I don't want to freeze, honestly. I'm not, we're looking fancy here, but yeah, I want my feet not to freeze, so definitely would recommend some fluffy socks as well to go with your little outfit. And one more thing you don't want to miss out on is, you know, some comfy slippers. I just bought these are new, therefore they can be on my bed. Just, you know, something to keep you comfy while you walk around in the house. If you're not into socks, I would definitely recommend you to buy some comfy ones. These are kind of boring, but I needed some because my old ones were, you know, were not functioning anymore. So I was like, I need some new ones. But you can find some cute ones in any, you know, any store to just cozy up. But basically, this is what I would recommend you to just do like on a weekend where you just want to start your morning slow instead of all rushing and trying to make it through the day. No. Have some comfy shoes, have some breakfast, and good duvet and sheets. So yeah. And then to set the mood in your home, I would definitely recommend a scented candle, and this one is from Primark, and it is really nice, and oh my god, it's so good. Ugh. Okay, I haven't burned it, you know, a lot because it's like, I love it, and we don't have Primark in Denmark, so I just don't want to finish it up. But find some scented candles. What I do is I go to IKEA and find some of their scented candles are actually really great. And people who are in, you know, in the US, in the UK, they have Forever Mood by Jackie Aina, and I would really love to try that. But I would definitely recommend it, even though I haven't tried it yet. I just have some candles in your house, scented or unscented, just, you know, have them in your house to make it feel like, you know, the warm, to make it feel warm, and it creates this light that is very, very nice to look at, and it just makes everything just, you know, glisten in a very cozy and sensual way. So yeah, create the coziness in your home with scented candles, unscented candles. Just like good lighting would just bring up, you know, you want to warm up your house. You can do that in so many different ways, but my to go to would definitely be candles. So yeah, and then I have good sheets and duvet. Trust me, it has a lot to say. It gives you a good night's sleep. Never, if there's something I've learned in my adult life, is to invest in a good bed, because you spend 8 hours resting, and those 8 hours are so important because you've been having a long day, you've been working hard, your mind needs to rest, your body needs to rest, and the last thing you want to do is do it on something that is just, you know, annoying and just uncomfortable. You want to rest, not struggle to rest. So invest in a good bed, invest in good duvets, invest in good pillows, and invest in good bed sheets. You will thank yourself later. Actually, your body is going to be like, Thank you, baby girl.
So this is my bed, and I try to make it as cozy as I can. And as you can see, my duvet, I went to pick a color that really was flattering for this season, which is fall, but also can be used in the winter as well. I didn't want any dark color. Again, I'm just like, I try to keep a light note into my everyday life because most of the days are just dark and gray. So this was something that I really enjoyed looking at, and I was like, I want to pick this. And the fabric is really soft and nice to touch, so it just gives me a really, really nice good night's sleep or a day in my bed.
And another thing I've realized, and it's not for everyone, there is something about me using my oils in the winter. Maybe because I feel ashy and I feel dry most of the time, and I just feel like putting on oil after moisturizing, or just like as a moisturizer on my skin, just makes it feel very, very nice and comfortable. So I don't know, use your moisturizer if you're very oily as a person, because we all have different skin types and everything. Don't do that, but use something for your skin to still feel moisturized, to still feel really good, and again, cozy. We are looking for the word cozy in the winter because we want to survive this winter. Yeah, my to-go-to oils right now at the moment are these. Okay, I have castor oil, black castor oil, that I highly recommend, and then I have this brand. It's a Danish brand, Sangs, for my face, and then I have this one for my body. Like, I just oils, okay, oil up, especially for your hair. It will thank you. Almond oil, any type of oil, make sure that you have it. And oh, there's no more space in this house. And another thing, make sure that you take care of your hair. I just, for some crazy reason, I had the idea of silk pressing my hair, and the weather outside is not freaking summer, but I was like, you know what, I just want to try it and see how unhealthy my hair actually is. Just use the natural oils to just take care of your scalp, take care of your hair, because we tend to get a dry scalp. So olive oil, argan oil, castor oil, it's your to-go-to. We cannot get our vitamin D, at least here in Scandinavia. It's like, I don't know, the sun comes out and you barely see it. One of my friends introduced me to this spray of vitamin D, and I just spray it and I let it stay for a while, and then I'm good to go. I spray it twice every single day, and then I'm good to go with my vitamins. And of course, I make sure that I eat fish, I eat like all the supplies that I need to have to just boost my immune system and make sure that I am not tired, because that's what you get. You tend to get tired when you're lacking of these things. You're lacking of the sunlight and everything. And I would just recommend everybody to just make sure that you take your vitamins, especially this one, your vitamin D. Maybe you're getting it somewhere else, but it's still important to get your vitamins. I'm sorry. Yeah, so that I will recommend. Another thing is tea. If you're as happy for tea as I am, make sure that you stock up with your tea, your teas, honey, sweets and everything in your house, just to make it, again, codes that I do to prepare my mind and soul for winter, and to keep my energy level on a high note. It's to make sure that I pamper myself, take care of myself, and my home. Make sure that my home is ready for winter. I change it just like you change the tires on your car. That's what I do with my home. I change my duvet, I change my sheets, and also I used to do it actually, but I don't do it anymore. Change your curtains, because there are winter curtains and there are summer curtains. Why? The winter it's dark, so you don't want your dark curtains to just add that extra layer of darkness. So change them to something bright. These are my curtains. Yeah, I'm sitting by the window. These are my curtains, and they're white, and they've been like this because I knew myself when I moved into this house. I knew myself that I was not in a good place, and I wanted something bright and light to just keep me on a high note. So these are the curtains that I bought, and they're white, and right now those are the ones that I use in the summer and in the winter. But normally my mom taught me to change curtains whenever it's convenient. So that's what I will tell you as well. Go from the dark curtains to the much lighter, much spirit uplifting, and you see a change. Anyway, until next time, thank you for staying with me, and I really hope that you can use these small tips on how to maintain your energy and your bubbly self in the winter. Until then, I will see you next time. Bisous. Mwah.